again, he's doing a great job. Ooh, was that another low blow? Man, look at that face. He's feeling like an old 31.
Oh, they're calling it.
He's done?
They're calling it. Wow.
Matapos niyang pinasuko at tinalo sa unang pagkakataon via knockout ang Pinoy na si Mercito Hista, ay tila nabitin pa itong Mexican knockout artist na si Juan Antonio Rodriguez. 2 buwan lang kasi matapos durugin ang Pinoy ay Pinoy ulit ang kinasahan nitong Mexican. Dito nakalaban niya ang knockout artist din na tubong General Santos City na si Romero Duno. Ang laban nila ay para sa bakanting WBO, North American Boxing Organization lightweight title. At nakaschedule ang laban sa 10 rounds lang. Nangyari ang nasabing sagupaan noong May 16, 2019 sa Fantasy Springs Casino sa California sa Amerika. Bitbit ng dayong Pinoy na si Romero Duno ang record na 19 wins, only 1 defeat, 23 anyos pa at isang orthodox. Habang 30 wins, 7 losses, 31 anyos na at southpaw itong si Rodriguez. Gigil makuha ni Rodriguez ang bakanting titulo pero sa mismong laban ay tila di niya inaasahan na ang isang Pinoy na tubong jinsan ay magiging malaking tinik sa kanyang tagumpay. Isang madugong laban ang nasaksihan ng mga nanonood ng live sa arena at kung tinalo ni Rodriguez itong si Mercito Hista via knockout, sa laban naman niya kontra kay Romero Duno ay dinurog naman siya ng ating pambato. Pinabagsak, biniyak ang kilay at literal na pinasuko ni Romero Duno itong Meksikano. Nakahanap ng katapat ang knockout artist na Mexican sa katauhan ng knockout artist din na tubong jinsan.
From General Santos City in the Philippines, Romero Duno. Thoughts, Doug?
Sabay nating balikan ang madugo nilang bakbakan.
All right, here we go, our main event.
So hot is that there's the country pride and the traditions of their great fighter. I mean, Zeferino Garcia held a version of the middleweight title.
Somebody's got to go down. I'm going to knock him down. He was upset because his manager didn't feel like he should take this fight.
That's exactly right.
It's that pride that I was talking about.
Big punches early on from both men.
Yeah, I was about to say, they're exchanging heavy leather.
You know, this training camp, Duno started in the Philippines.
Manny Pacquiao was forged.
Born, that's right. Her every single day.
That's motivation.
You know, we saw, and he said, man, my workouts are so focused now because I understand my singular focus and who I have to take care of.
Doesn't go to them anymore.
I know that's right. Here in our main event in Indio. Welcome back, round number 2. Beto, Nugget, the coach here on Thursday Night Fights, Golden Boy and DAZN. Thanks for watching us around the world.
This early. You don't want to give him any confidence.
Duno, big.
Teddy Mercito Hesta.
Beto.
And watching this fight online, on Sunday, it's going to be shown on national TV around the entire country.
The fight was nationally televised. Did great ratings.
I can't even imagine what it must feel like to be the face of a country, the face of a culture. And also, wow, also the, say what's up. Now Rodriguez takes a body shot from nowhere, and now Duno is really missing big with a lot of his shots.
Yeah, he's getting a little bit wild. On the pike is Rodriguez.
No doubt. Inside 30 seconds.
Rodriguez is doing a good job with his jab. Big hook. The eye-catching shots. The power punch is being landed by Duno.
Boy, he is not holding back. Round number 2 in the books. Thank you. In these two, Rodriguez 2.
Well, if Duno got any wilder than he was in the previous round, he'd really be opening himself up to getting clipped with a power shot. And we have by Duno or the prospect's power punching reputation because in Mercito Hesta, he was facing a
Big shot by Rodriguez.
Yeah, in Hesta, he was facing an experienced fighter, somebody who was world class, and he knocked him out.
3 really good shots on Duno. here in this third round.
Yeah, this third round belongs to Rodriguez so far.
Another big left hand by Rodriguez. Just measuring now, big right from Duno.
Not only are the skills of Duno being tested in this fight, but his character. Title holder at 130 pounds. He traveled to Panama to fight Corrales in his home country. When he faced Billy Dibb, who's a former featherweight champion, and eye-catching shots, but really the more consistent fighter, offensively speaking, in those opening 2 rounds was Rodriguez.
Power punches in round 3 look like this.
He better be ready to fight a hard 2 rounds tonight.
Big left hand by Duno.
Actually, he's got a good chin.
He's got a great chin. And boom!
Oh my goodness.
Now Duno is connecting on Rodriguez.
Duno might be wise to go to the body.
And he has blood just streaming down the left side of his face.
Hey, they were throwing down.
They were throwing big time.
That was just pure slugging right there.
If it turns into a slugfest, who does it?
If that